everyone, welcome back to Mo's World. I'm Mo, and this is what we've been waiting for. This is the 2-year Locaversary. Actually, it was Wednesday and Thursday. Today's Friday. I'm a tad bit late, but better late than never, right? So this is really just a compilation of my journey from month 1, and then it goes to month 6, month 12, and then month 18 through 24. Yeah, looking back at these old pics, it was like crazy. It really does show, wow, my hair is growing, it is getting thicker, it is locking, it is getting longer. Um, it really does make a difference when you have the pictures. It really does make a difference. So trust the journey and definitely take pictures. Please, I know I'm not really going to answer any questions in here, do a Q&A. This is just pretty much a slideshow. So if you have any questions at all about my journey, tester locks at the very beginning, consultants, whatever, locking, bunching, any questions whatsoever, please put them in the comment section below and I'll make a separate video answering any of your questions. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, my name should be coming up somewhere now. Please follow me. I definitely post way more on Instagram than I do on YouTube, and a lot of the pictures, like my loose natural hair before I even got locked, just the locking process, the locking journey, way more pictures on Instagram, and I'm way more on there than I am on YouTube. Also, please subscribe. Join the family. We'd love to have you. The family's definitely growing. Also, click that bell icon right next to it so you know when the next video is coming up. You are alerted. You don't want to miss out on the next video. I am going to attempt to grow my hair using a new method. I'm also going to be talking about my moisture routine in the winter months. So stay tuned for that. But without further ado, I'm going to stop gabbing and let you all enjoy the slideshow for my 2-year Locaversary. All right, thank you so much. Bye.